Welcome to Speak Feline. Your cat has a message. They've been watching where your attention goes and who or what feeds on it. Your cat is alarmed. You've been scrolling like a creature possessed, arguing with people who don't deserve your breath, texting that person whose only job is to drain you emotionally and send you into a 3-hour spiral. Your cat says, stop giving your life force to beings with no nutritional value. There's also a more sinister layer here. Your cat sees something humans always miss. Every tap, scroll, and late-night text war feeds an entity. Sometimes a person, sometimes an algorithm, sometimes a shadow. You are being harvested, not physically, energetically. Attention is currency. Your cat is trying to claw the phone out of your hand to save you from spiritual bankruptcy. And yet, there you are, scrolling, refreshing, pouring your essence into glowing rectangles like they are altar fires. Your cat wonders, what would happen if you poured even 10% of that into your real destiny? You know, that project, the one that keeps calling your name like a soulmate you haven't met yet? Your cat says it's starving, underfed, neglected, watching you funnel your brilliance into DMs like crumbs on the floor. You weren't born to be consumed. You were born to create. Your cat wants to remind you with love that when you waste your energy on digital parasites, your future dims. And there are forces, human and non-human, that benefit from your distraction. Your soul is not meant to be a data point. Turn off the screen. Turn toward the work that sets your chest on fire. The thing you've been too drained to begin because the world keeps nibbling your attention. Your cat will sit beside you while you do it, purring, guarding, keeping the energy thieves at bay. That's all I want to say for now. Until next time, stay sharp, stay soft.